Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Rimal and welcome back to my channel once again. So in today's session, we will be working on a scenario based question. So basically this video is for data and business analysts who are interested to land a job in data analytics or business analytics, so or who are already working as a data or business analyst. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, this is the dummy version of an email sent from uh, our manager. Okay, like let's say XYZ manager name. So he sent the requirement. So this is the yeah, sample of an email. So I will be working with this question today. So I will be trying to solve the solve this scenario. So what our manager is asking is, let's say our manager or line manager or any stakeholder from other departments, they might send us a requirement on the basis on email on like on an email format, or like they will describe us in the team meeting. So let's go with the question now. Okay, so our manager, he wants a revenue tracker of the hospital on the basis of department wise. Likewise, we need to build a chart, then after plot in our dashboard, and in our dashboard there should be the some KPI, key performance indicators, and some slicers. Okay, so this is the basic introduction to our question for today. And yeah, this is the summary of the question. Okay, let's say our manager want to track the total revenue based on the department, and he wants an automated dashboard using Excel. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have our dataset ready. So this is the average length of stay dataset, which we were working in our previous video as well. So if you have not seen my previous video, then you can just go to my channel, or you can go check on the description. I will put the link below. And okay, now, so our first target is to build a chart on the basis of department and total cost of stay. So let me select the department column and total cost of stay column. Then after, go to insert, go to recommended chart, and yeah, this clustered bar chart is perfect. Now this will automatically land us to the different worksheet in pivot table and pivot chart. So basically this is the pivot table and this is the pivot chart. Okay, let me give it a nice view. Let me sort this one from smallest to largest. Okay, let me give it a proper heading. I don't need this grid line. I will remove this one. So it's up to you, so how you design your chart. Okay, so basically this is the same reflective version for the dashboard. Let me, okay, for now it's fine. Okay, let me copy this one and make a new sheet called dashboard. I will just give this background. I will copy that chart here. Perfect. Now so we got the chart here, right? So we got the department and then after the revenue. So basically these are the total cost of a patient they have spent in a hospital throughout their stay, right? So we can see general medicine, this department made the pretty good revenue, followed by the orthopedics and cardiology, and in case of ICU, so it's pretty low as compared to general medicine. Now our requirement is So we need to plot the KPIs and then after slicers. Okay, first of all let me plot the slicers. Go to insert, go to slicer. It's pretty easy. And in case of slicers, what are our requirements? It's month, admission type and insurance type. So we need month, insurance type, admission type. Click OK. Okay, let me put this one here. You can arrange the slicers as per your need or as per your, it depends upon you how you like to plot it. Okay, so I will just put this one here. Okay, perfect. Let me give this a heading. Okay, hospital revenue tracker department wise. I will give this one 40 and this one 25. Oh, it's too big. 20 is fine, I guess. Perfect. Okay, so for now, if you, let's say if you want to see the revenue or the changes in the department on the basis of admission type, okay, let's say if you click on the elective type, then you will see the, say, orthopedics is at the top. Likewise, let me give this one the label. Okay, so that you can see the proper currency flow. Now let's see emergency department. It's general medicine. Likewise, let's see unknown. So basically unknown means, I think there are no records for this one, so that's why it's in the unknown category. So orthopedics and general medicine. Okay, likewise if you want to see on the basis of insurance type, then you can click on the NHS, then you will see the general medicine is leading there. Likewise if you want to track on the basis of self-pay from the patient, then it's a general medicine. Okay, perfect. If you want to see the private, it's orthopedics. Private means might be like some insurance or some other companies. Unknown, neurology and general medicine. Perfect. So likewise I want to see on the basis of month. Let me go with the January. During the January, cardiology has the highest revenue generated. Likewise neurology and ICU and other departments, they had not, I mean there were no patient on the basis of this, right? So likewise February, and then after, yeah, all the departments and orthopedics, only few admission in orthopedics, so that it's less income, less revenue. Likewise June, yeah, that's how you can play around with your dashboard, right? So it's a proper automated dashboard. So likewise I need to put some KPIs. So our KPIs, okay, total revenue, total admission and average length of stay. Let me go to our data set. Okay, let me count the total patient. So this is the one till here, hit enter, it's 102. Total patients, right? Likewise total revenue, okay, equals to, you can use the, sorry, some total cost of stay till here, hit enter, and let me go with the average length of stay. Go here, type average and select the length of stay. Average length of stay is 15.78. okay, so these are our KPIs. I mean, yeah, like from this whole data, so we got this summary, right? We have the 102 total patient. From 102 patient, we generated this amount of money, and the average length of stay is this one, right? So let me plot a simple chart. Okay, let me give this one total admissions, and it's 102. Let me give this one 14. This one value should be 20. Okay, 20 in the middle. It's in the middle. Okay, I need to change this color to red. Okay, which one? Hello. Okay, let me copy this one and paste it here. Okay, and the one is total admission is okay. Total admission is done. Now total revenue. Let me copy this one. Now average length of stay, this one. Perfect. Yep, so this is the one. So we got our dashboard. Okay, we got our slicers, we got our KPIs, we got our figures, everything. I think, yeah, this is it for the today's session. Yeah, we solved our question, and we can just save this one and send it back to our managers so that they can have a look, and if it's fine, then that's great. Otherwise, they will send back like some feedbacks or some suggestions so that we can improve our dashboard. Okay, so yeah, I think this is pretty good. It's like clear, simple, and yeah, quite eye-catching as well. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to put in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good time.